Bill here again. This time my video is over the Mooney Mooney Bridge. I've always wanted to get some pics and see what was underneath this bridge, as it always seemed so high up from the freeway when you drive over it. It is in fact 75 metres high. I used the Mavic Air 2 4K 30 set on auto. As usual, here is a little history and something you may not have known. The Mooney Mooney Bridge, officially the Mooney Mooney Creek Bridge, but it's also known as the Big Dipper. It is a twin cantilever bridge that carries the Pacific Motorway across Mooney Mooney Creek. The Pacific Motorway is the main road link between Sydney, the Central Coast, and the Hunter region of New South Wales. The concrete box girder bridge was opened on 14th of December 1986. The original 1930s two-lane steel truss bridge carried the old Pacific Highway across Mooney Mooney Creek, which you can see in the video. That bridge is underneath this one and remains in use today.